Do you want to know how you can become an agent on Melbet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can become an agent on Melbet. So, go ahead and open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to melbet.in and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, you can see this type of interface. What you need to do is scroll all the way down of the website and you can see become an agent on here on the left hand side of your screen under about us. So go ahead and click on become an agent. This is the most easiest way to become an agent, so you can read this. Make money with Melbet Teamcast. Partnering up with the international bookmaker is incredibly rewarding. Accept funds to top up accounts, make withdrawals for customers, or create your very own agent network and earn commissions. So you can go ahead and click become an agent. Now fill in your personal details like your name, email address, your country, your phone number, and you can use some kind of messaging account like Telegram or others, and you can write down your nickname over here and click send. This way an application will be sent to your email and your type of messenger which you have selected, and you can start the registration process of becoming an agent, and then you can start making bets, and then you will earn a lot of money using Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.